Hi everybody, I'm Lauren Taylor at the Baker's Corner on behalf of Expert Village. Thank you for joining me today for our chocolate peanut butter surprise cupcakes. Now I realize when you hear the word surprise that sounds scary and kind of generic almost, but there really is a surprise in the center of the cupcake. My two favorite things to put together in this world are chocolate and peanut butter. In my book, that just means perfection right there. These cupcakes are chocolate cupcakes, which I have two secret ingredients in these cupcakes, in the cake parts themselves. And they're going to be so moist, you'll want to eat them just by themselves, which, if you're anything like me, that's not normal. But trust me, they're going to be fantastically moist cupcakes. Then there's going to be a surprise in the center of that. We're going to put in a peanut butter peanut butter cup in the center of the cupcake for a little surprise when you bite into it. I know, it's already sounding amazing. And then on top, we're going to have a very light whipped peanut butter frosting. Oh, but just a little bit of chocolate in that too. Can't go wrong with that. So all over, it's this great, every bite has great flavor, lots of chocolate and peanut butter in every single bite. The frosting's great by itself. The cupcakes are great by itself. Shoot, I could just eat a million of the little Reese's peanut butter cups are going in the center of them. Fantastic cupcakes. Let's get started.